Alright, here's my Pinebook Pro, and it still has the original Debian Linux operating system on it. And I've been using Manjaro via the micro SD for a while, and I think I'm gonna swap it to the eMMC using this little USB tool. I'll open it later, but there it is. So first we have to open the back to get the eMMC out, because I want to back it up to a disk image. There we go. The speakers are glued. Just a little bit stuck there. And here is the eMMC. And it just pops right out. There we go. Now we're going to attach it like so. And now I'm going to flash it. Rather back it up first, actually. I've got the eMMC plugged into the computer. I'm just going to back it up to a image. Like so. And now we flash my Manjaro image. And now we just take it off the adapter, put it right back there, make sure it's in the right place. That seems good. And we put the cover back on. There we go, beautiful. Now my Manjaro image is on the eMMC. Woo!